How to do a pregnancy test with shampoo, step-by-step guide. In this video, we will discuss planning for a baby is an exciting journey, and if you've missed your period, you're likely eager to confirm whether you're pregnant. Running out to buy a pregnancy test kit may not always be convenient, so what if there was a way to check at home with items you already have? Why homemade tests? Before pregnancy kits became popular, homemade tests like the shampoo test were more common. Today, they're less reliable but still provide a private, low-cost option. Shampoo pregnancy test. The shampoo pregnancy test is a homemade method that claims to indicate pregnancy using shampoo and a urine sample. Hope this content is helpful for you till now. Subscribe and hit the bell icon for more such pregnancy-related video. Please continue watching. Is it safe to use? Yes, if you're careful with instructions. But remember, this method isn't scientifically validated. A professional pregnancy test remains the safest, most reliable way to know. How to carry out the shampoo pregnancy test at home. What you'll need: 1. Your first urine sample of the day. 2. 2 clean containers. 3. Shampoo. 4. Water. 5. Stirrer. Step-by-step method. 1. First, pour a bit of your morning urine sample into one container. In the second container, mix water and shampoo to create a soapy solution. 2. Once your soapy solution is ready, add a small amount of the urine sample to the shampoo mix. 3. Gently stir it together, but do not shake or overmix, as this could create misleading results. 4. Watch the mixture for any changes or reactions. Interpreting the results. According to the method, foaming could suggest pregnancy, while no reaction might mean you're not pregnant. Should you rely on DIY tests? Homemade tests like these aren't meant to replace professional testing. While they may be a primary option, don't rely on them as your only method. Why professional tests are more accurate? Professional tests detect HCG with a high level of sensitivity and accuracy. Unlike shampoo, they can pick up even low levels of the hormone in early pregnancy, providing a much clearer answer. Alternative pregnancy testing methods. 1. Commercial pregnancy test kits. The most popular at-home option is a commercial pregnancy test kit. These are widely available, affordable, and simple to use, and they provide reliable results. 2. Digital pregnancy tests. Digital pregnancy tests take convenience a step further by displaying results in text format, reducing interpretation errors. They're slightly more expensive but offer clearer results. 3. Blood tests for pregnancy, serum HCG. Blood tests performed at a healthcare facility are the gold standard. These tests detect HCG earlier than urine tests. While the shampoo pregnancy test is an interesting DIY option, it's unreliable. For peace of mind and accurate results, consult a doctor and use medically approved testing methods.